Alrighty. Good afternoon or morning, whatever it might be. I went ahead and produced a Larson scanner for our week theory lab assignment. I went ahead and it said on there to use approximately 4 to 6. I just did all 13 digital pins that we have available. I connected these using 220 ohm resistors. I went ahead and did the calculations based off of the 30 milliamp usage that we had. I found a lot of places that said 20 was as common, so essentially the resistance is going to be the voltage divided by the current, with 0.3 as the milliamp, 5 volts, and 0.7 is the typical LED. So I went ahead and calculated that. 143 would have been a sufficient resistor to use, but I just used 220, which is red, red, brown. Very common. We have them all over the lab. My code for this, go ahead and pull it up. I followed the tutorial video, but I went ahead and made some adjustments of my own. So within there, I just did a 20-second delay. I did equal to or greater than for my LED pin that I had initiated, just so I could utilize that pin 13. You just go ahead and when it starts the loop, it's going to see that the pin is at 0, and as long as it is less than 13 or equal to 13, it's going to add 1. And once it does that for each pin, it's going to digital write, then delay. And then once it goes through that process and goes over 13, it hops down to the next for statement, which takes the pin at 13 now, and as long as it is greater than or equal to 0, it's going to subtract 1 running through there. So that's why we get that nice back and forth. Now I didn't do a delay on the pin low just because it looked choppy and it didn't look as nice. With that, I also had to run ground, which is going to be my connection at the end using that blue cable over, so that way the LEDs have a place to go off. Anyways, thank you very much for watching.